All right, so I want to give you guys an idea about how to use the map feature when taking a look at properties. If that is whether you're doing comps, just trying to find properties itself, trying to compare some properties, square footage, whatever it is. So the best way that I do it, the easy way that I do it, I go in, I pick the specific area. I'm going to use my house for reference point in Cherry Hill. I'm going to check off the status of the property, type of property that I want. So for this, I'm going to use active coming soon, active under contract, pending, and closed. And then up at the top, click on where it says map. Okay, this is going to take you to a map, and then where it says jump to address, plug in whatever address that you want, whatever address that you're using there, hit enter. And this is going to take you to a map. Now, this is my house. And you little buggers see my address, so I don't expect you showing up on my property unless you're bringing my kids gifts. Every red property is something that has sold. Your goal down here is what's pending, and there's nothing active there. But if you want to see something that's active, it would be green. Okay, don't know who that is. Get him out of there. Sorry about that. So if you check off on the property, then you can go to the property and see the details of it. Click on the listing result as well. It'll take you to the listing so you can check out comparable details of that property. Should pop open another window, so all you need to do is just exit out. And that's it. Now, if you want to put together a report, and I want to use this one, so I'll click on that, check it off, click on the next one, check it off, and you can see up here how many I have checked off. Okay, so I can also go and uncheck them. Now, if you want to do your own radius and your own, kind of draw your own area, go to these up here. So this is if I want to draw a radius, check that off, and then just hover over where you want to start from for the focal point, center point is going to be. And, oh, did I not do that? Oh, my bad. And start pulling it out so you can pull out whatever radius area that you want, okay? And you can make it as large as you want to go or make it bigger if you want to. Now, you want to clear it. Click on that little broom, clear the shape, okay? All right, let me go back in here real quick. Sorry, someone's calling me. If you want to do a little rectangle for whatever shape that you want to put it in, you can do that. Clear that out of there. Polygon. Whoops. Click on that point. Click on that point. Click on that point. Click on that point. And click. And there's your certain area. Okay. Sweep that out of there. And if you want to just do it freehand and kind of draw your own area, then you can go ahead and do that however you want to draw. Woo-hoo! And you got an area. Okay? So, down to that. This will help you and give you a pretty good idea about different areas they want to break it out to. Like, I know that this is all my neighborhood. This is Barkley across the street. This is Brookfield that's over here. But it might help you out when you don't have a development name and you don't have to go to the screen on the search page where you're going out a half a mile. Use the map feature, plug in the address, expand it out, close it in, and it'll pull up all the comps around that property. All right? So hope this helps, guys.